Hey, we're here making holiday candy today. Michael's gonna make us up some holiday candy.
Holiday cheer candy.
Holiday cheer candy.
That's right.
He's made it before.
Right.
So
We've
we've never made it before, so he's gonna show us what it's like.
All right. I guess you need your ingredients first.
What are we gonna do?
I do. I have to do my.
What all goes in it? What are you putting in there?
You get a cup of water, 3 3/4 cups sugar.
Is it like a hard candy, like a
hard candy?
Hard candy.
Hard cinnamon candy.
Hard cinnamon candy.
What
Okay.
it is.
What you gonna put? Unfortunately, we don't have any red, so we're gonna go with the green food coloring. So it'll be a green cinnamon.
Be green
That'd be all right. Festive
candy.
candy.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
And you're going to use 1 1/4 cup of Karo syrup.
Okay, now we gotta turn on the stove. What are we gonna do there?
Yeah, I'm going to add all the ingredients in first.
All right.
You add your sugar in.
All right. Put it
Sugar.
in. Good. Let me get out of the way of the other camera.
Your water.
There you go. All right.
And then you're going to add your 1 1/4 cup Karo
syrup, right? Okay, good.
Make sure you get it all out. I'm going to use this
1 1/4 cup. Is that right?
1 1/4 cup.
Do you let this come to a boil then once you get it in?
You're going to boil it to 300 degrees.
All right. 300 degrees.
That's an important key factor in this junction. Then we're going to do something when it hits 300 degrees.
All right. Got secrets in the sauce.
Secrets in the sauce. Let me stick
Secrets
that
in the
right there
sauce.
for now. I'm going to do like 1
1/4
cup.
right.
I'm going to about right there.
All right.
Karo is where it happens.
You can get all these ingredients at your local
You can get it at
Walmart.
local Walmart.
Most any other store.
Most any convenience.
Hardest
store.
thing to find, I think, was the extract, the cinnamon extract. Find
You
that
can find the cinnamon extract
But-
in the crafts aisle, actually. at
craft
Walmart.
section of Walmart. There you go.
Right.
Yeah. I would have thought it would have been over in the other aisle, but you found it over in the crafts aisle. Every time you find it over
Crafts
there.
aisle.
Why do they keep it over there for some reason?
So what you want to do
Alright.
is you want to turn your heat on, probably to, I wouldn't start off high, probably medium heat.
Okay. All right.
Don't let that slowly. This is your thermometer. It's pretty easy. Stick your thermometer down in there.
So look, we're searching for. We're looking for 300 degrees. Is that right?
300 degrees is our
Alright.
magic number.
Let's see, just 300 degrees. There's going to be right there on that.
300.
What are we on right now? Tell you that
We're
right.
on nothing right now.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cold. All right. You stir it up good. You put in the Karo syrup, and you've got in the water.
Karo, sugar, and water.
How much sugar was it again?
3 3/4 cups.
3 3/4 cups of sugar. And then, all right, just put it in your start melting it.
That's correct.
Good. All right. And
We're going to bring this to a rolling boil,
all right.
and it's going to need to hit 300 degrees. It's going to take a little while.
All right.
It's starting to boil now. I think I'm going to go ahead and add my
Food color.
food coloring to get ahead of the game here.
Good deal. Good deal.
Well, it's not going to hurt anything to do that. You put whatever you think you need in there. We're gonna make it green.
Holiday green.
Holiday green. Put it off to the side. Just keep stirring it occasionally. Make sure it's not burnt. Bottom of the food. I think we're good. When you remove it from the heat when it's 300 degrees, we're going to add our cinnamon oil
Extract.
extract.
Oh, that's right.
Cinnamon oil extract. We'll add the entire bottle for this batch here, and you definitely don't want to inhale this stuff whenever when you add it, because it will make you shook.
Inhalation hazard.
Inhalation hazard.
Yeah. Well, it's safe to make, though. You
Right,
don't
it's
want to
safe.
scare anybody.
It's safe to eat.
That's
but,
right. It's safe to make, too. It's
You
safe.
just don't want to inhale it while
No, it's just safe to
boiling.
make. You don't. It's not something you want to be cautious with and keep out of reach of children. And you'll learn as you go, though, next time. It's just very powerful. I'll show you what it's at. There's a shot of the what's made cinnamon. That's what actually puts extract there. Looks like a vanilla. Cinnamon. Loretta Gourmet. Cinnamon extract. Cinnamon oil extract. Flavoring. That's right. Turn the thermometer around where you can read it from the front there, if you don't mind. Just twist it around in the tube, inside the tube where you can read it. There you go. Just there you go. There you go. Now you can see it. What's it setting on now?
coming up above about 225, 250.
You're shooting for 300.
Shooting for 300
That's
degrees.
right.
Magic number 300. It's gonna be nice, I think.
Should be. That's
How long
always.
does it take for it to harden?
Just varies. It varies. I mean, it's different. It depends on the temperature of your kitchen and all that stuff. And, probably within the hour, it'll be hard. You know, it'll start hardening as soon as you get it into the out of the heat. You know.
What's the temperature on there?
Temperature is at 275, so we're almost there.
Shooting.
Shooting for 300.
Yeah, that's how it goes. Looks like it's boiling down something. I don't know if it is or not. But it's,
Well, it started out that low. You know.
yeah, I'm sorry.
You get to your froth and it starts thickening.
Yeah,
So
okay, sticking it
that's what
up.
you want. You want that thick.
All right, you've hit 300, right?
300 degrees now.
All right, good deal.
So it's okay to go a little bit over 300.
right.
If you go over 300, it's all right. That just means it'll make it that much more.
Longer to cool off.
It'll be harder. Your
Gotcha.
candy will be harder.
Got you.
You know, so 300 is kind of like a good medium. So
All right. Good
as
deal.
soon as you hit 300 degrees,
All right.
you want to remove it from
Just heat.
remove it from the heat.
All right. Turn off your thing.
Turn off your thing,
All right. Turn off your oven. That's right. Or stove.
stove. Move that. Put that right here. Now, this is your cinnamon here. We're going to add it to this mix.
Cinnamon extract
Very, very
flavor.
potent. Add the whole bottle.
Push it back.
Stir it in really good. We're going to add it to our cookie sheet.
Sure, it's pretty.
How pretty green it is.
Make sure you get it all out.
Pretty green.
Kind of smooth it out. along the edges.
The bubbles out of it, looks like. Sure got really pretty down it.
Yep.
What do you smell that thing?
All right, I think our candy is hardened up enough to where we can.
It's been cooling for an hour, right?
In about an hour.
All
about
right.
An hour. And what we're gonna do is gonna break it up into small pieces.
Blocks it up. For the holiday.
Block it up, cube it up, and we'll use this rag here instead of hitting it directly.
Oh, sure. See what happens.
Little.
Hey, shattered up.
We
Look
got
at that.
what we got here is
Pieces
some
of
of them little
great
bite-sized
treats.
pieces.
Great treats. Yeah.
Good treat.
All right. This is like breaking glass. There.
Breaking glass. There's a few little.
All right. That looks
you go.
nice.
Are they good?
They're going to be. Going to be taste pretty good. All right.
That's some cinnamon. Let me break up a few little spots here.
Holiday green. After holiday treat. It's affordable. It's not really all that expensive to make. You got to.
It's probably under $15.
Yeah, for a whole bunch of hard candy.
Get you about a pound.
Grandkids, kids, have it out for the holiday for a treat.
Well, it can be,
You
baby.
put
I'm gonna need
it right
that.
there in that can right there. Get it right there.
I'll
Right in
get a
there.
spatula.
Like a cookie candy dish there. Candy tin. I believe it's called a tin.
And we put down parchment paper here.
Yeah, put the parchment paper.
Keep it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. You can do oil or butter or whatever you feel.
Got you. Something keep it from sticking. Some non-stick.
Yeah. Some big pieces there.
Right.
You may be able to break it with your
Yeah,
hand.
it's pretty hard.
It's hard. So you
All
just
right,
kind
just
of
bring it up. Just bring it up. Bite-sized pieces.
whatever you think. That's why I had to.
This was one of the first candies that was available in the South and back in the hills, and families could make for the holidays. It was sugar candy. It was available to make, on your own.
And you use a rag on top of it.
Yeah, that's the reason why I used a rag right there. It was the first candy. This is a style here.
It's the old-fashioned candy that was made, and it was homemade candy that was made years ago, and still today people still make it like you are making today. And it's affordable. It's affordable, and it's not like buying it over at the Walmart. You can. It's a
Old-fashioned candy.
That's right, old-fashioned hard candy.
Simple to make.
Simple to make, and just kind of know what to do. Then.
All right.
All right, deal.
So what we're going to
Box
do
it
is
up.
fill her.
Box tins. Put the tins up.
Hands everyone.
Tins. Fill the tins up.
Yes, you can put it in there however you want to, but
Put it in there.
here comes the first tin of candy.
All right.
You can also, if you want, it's optional, you can put powdered sugar on top of it as just an extra sweetener. Added sweetener and it
Color.
keeps from sticking as much.
On top of the paper, you mean? Okay.
Or on
yeah.
top of the candy.
Okay,
So
on top. Okay, got you.
A lot of people put powdered sugar on it. One in the shape of Idaho there.
There you go.
Best to put it in there about. And that's a little bit big.
Meat cleaver there. Meat. It's tenderizer. Meat tenderizer.
Meat tenderizer. Yes,
Yeah, the meat tenderizer hammer. All right, this fills up that tin.
That's a
Fills up. There you go. Looks like
nice
nice.
Christmas tin there.
Send that to somebody for holiday or
That's
something.
right.
Somebody keeps on giving the whole year round.
Gift that keeps on giving.
Keeps on giving.
Lid on top of it there.
All right, sounds great. Looks great. Looks great. That's quite a lot of candy.
There's a lot of candy. I'd
Yeah.
say it makes about 2 pounds maybe.
That's right. Hard candy. That's a lot of enjoyment.
2 pounds and last you a while too.
That's good.
And that wraps it up.
Yeah. There's your holiday hard candy, cinnamon flavored, green. Of course, had we have had some red food coloring, we'd have made some red cinnamon. But
Make it any color you want.
green cinnamon is just as good.
Oh, also
All right. Thank you, Michael.
you can also buy different
Flavors, yeah.
flavors of this at the craft section at Walmart. You can buy wintergreen, spearmint,
Right.
watermelon.
Sure, other people enjoy that as well.
It's very inexpensive. Very inexpensive.
Affordable.
You can make 2 batches out of one.
Couple bucks there.
Couple
on that
bucks
flavor.
right there.
Couple on that
Couple
flavor.
bucks for 4 pounds of candy.
All right. Sounds